So we'll be doing a non-seal face mask today. This is a type of face mask you can do within 2 minutes and you're done with it. You don't need any sewing, you don't need any needle and thread to do it. You just need a rectangular piece of cloth and 2 head band. If you don't have head band, you can use a rubber band. Now fold the cloth into 4 pieces. Put the band into one corner of the cloth, pull it and make sure it's secured. Now do the same thing to the other side of the cloth, pull it and make sure it is secured. Now after doing that, you have to now interlock both ends to make sure both ends are fitted together. Now use an invisible pin to hold the 2 ends inward, making sure it is inward.